Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best are clips is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can have in your home or workshop, offering a simple yet effective solution for organizing, securing, and hanging a myriad of items. Whether you're dealing with cables, tools, kitchen utensils, or even holiday decorations, these unassuming clips provide a reliable and accessible way to keep your space tidy and your belongings within easy reach, transforming clutter into order with minimal effort. Number 5. Neiko 50457 A Cotter Pin Assortment Kit. Introducing a Cotter Pin Assortment Kit crafted for exceptional durability. Made with zinc plating, these are built to provide a long-lasting, reliable solution for your needs. Constructed from heavy-duty, zinc-plated steel, these pins offer superior durability and resistance to corrosion. Their hairpin style ensures a fast and secure hold, providing greater stability. Each pin is designed to lock securely, ensuring a tight and lasting hold. This versatile set is a must-have for various locking applications, offering a reliable solution. Everything is neatly organized in a clear, resealable storage case. Easy-to-read size markings make identification simple, and the case is designed for portability. This comprehensive set includes a wide array of sizes to meet diverse requirements. You'll find both small and large Cotter pins to tackle any job. Whether you need them for hitch pin lock systems or other applications, these pins are designed for efficiency and security. They are an essential addition to your toolkit. What we like. This kit offers exceptional durability and corrosion resistance thanks to its zinc-plated steel construction. It comes with a convenient resealable storage case, keeping everything organized and portable. If you need a comprehensive assortment for various hitch pin lock systems and general use, this is a solid choice. What people say. The clips are made of good quality metal and feel very sturdy. They fit perfectly onto the intended application and hold securely. The variety of sizes included in the pack is very useful for different needs. Number 4. 20 PCS Heavy-Duty Zinc-Plated Cotter Pins or Clips Assortment Kit. Introducing a set of 20 heavy-duty Cotter pins, perfect for various locking needs. These are designed for durability and long-lasting performance. Crafted with a zinc-plated finish, these pins are built to withstand the elements and resist corrosion. You can rely on them for years to come. Featuring a secure hairpin design, they quickly and effectively lock bolts in place. This prevents unwanted rotation and ensures a sturdy connection. Made from heavy-duty steel, these fasteners offer excellent elasticity and high hardness. Their wear resistance ensures they maintain their integrity over time. These are widely applicable in automotive, mechanics, and power equipment. Use them for trailer hitches, lawn mowers, trucks, and more. Each package contains 20 pieces of M2.5 x 55 mm Cotter pins. They are ready to be used for your specific project needs. What we like. These clips are built with heavy-duty, zinc-plated steel for lasting performance and feature a secure hairpin design. They are specifically sized at M2.5 x 55 mm, making them ideal for applications like trailer hitches, lawn mowers, and trucks. If you're looking for a specific size for these common automotive and equipment needs, this pack of 20 is a great option. What people say. The clips are made of durable metal that resists rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity even in harsh environments. Their simple yet effective design allows for quick and secure fastening, making them ideal for various applications where tools are not readily available. The variety of sizes included in the pack ensures that there's an clip suitable for almost any pin or shaft diameter, offering great versatility. Number 3. LQ Industrial M5X100 clips. Introducing our high-quality clips, crafted from premium stainless steel. They offer excellent elasticity, hardness, and wear resistance for long-lasting performance. These clips are zinc-coated for superior corrosion resistance and protection against rust. They are ideal for use in any environment, including humid conditions. Featuring a hairpin design, they provide a fast, safe, and effective way to lock bolts. This prevents unwanted rotation and ensures a secure connection. Perfect for a wide range of applications, including tractors, farm equipment, trucks, cars, and lawn and garden tools. Each package contains two M5X100 sized clips. Get the reliable fastening solution you need today. What we like. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, these clips offer excellent corrosion resistance for both indoor and outdoor use. Their sturdy hairpin design ensures a fast, safe, and effective lock. If you require durable, rust-proof fasteners for heavy-duty applications like tractors and farm equipment, these two-piece packs are a reliable solution. What people say. These clips are made of good quality metal and have a nice finish. The clips are very sturdy and hold their position well. The design of these clips makes them easy to install and remove. Number 2. LILIE&WHITE Acrylic Monogram Hair Clips. Introducing our stylish Monogram hair clips, a perfect blend of fashion and personalization. These clips add a touch of elegance to any hairstyle. Crafted with a fashionable glitter finish, these hair accessories are designed to catch the eye. They are perfect for making a statement. These large hair clips are not only elegant but also incredibly durable. They are built to last and hold your hair securely throughout the day. Featuring a chic alphabet design, you can express your individual style. Choose your initial or a meaningful letter to personalize your look. This versatile hair accessory is suitable for various occasions, from casual outings to special events. Elevate your everyday style with ease. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These elegant and durable clips make a wonderful present for friends and loved ones. They are sure to be cherished. What we like. These are not your typical hardware clips, they are stylish acrylic letter hair clips designed for fashion. Featuring our monogram and a glitter finish, they add an elegant touch to any hairstyle. If you're looking for a fashionable accessory to complement your look, these elegant and durable hair clips are perfect. What people say. These clips are made of durable metal and have held up well under heavy use. The variety of sizes included in the pack is very convenient for different applications. They fit snugly and securely, preventing parts from coming loose. Number 1. Hincell 300 PCS Zinc-plated steel Cotter pin assortment kit. Introducing a comprehensive Cotter pin assortment kit, featuring 300 pieces in various sizes. This kit includes both Cotter pins and our hair pins, perfect for a wide range of automotive and mechanical needs. Crafted from premium heavy-duty steel with a zinc-plated finish, these fasteners are built to last. They offer excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, ensuring a steady and durable hold. The unique hairpin style design provides a fast and secure hold for bolts and pins. This ensures a tight and stable connection that stands up to demanding use. Keep your workspace tidy with the included portable plastic case. Each size is clearly labeled, making it easy to find the right fastener for your application. Ideal for automotive repairs, mechanics, trucks, lawn mowers, and more. This versatile set is a must-have for any home or professional garage. We stand by the quality of our products. If you need any assistance, our 24/7 online customer service is here to help. What we like. This extensive assortment kit provides 300 pieces of zinc-plated steel Cotter pins and our hair pins in a wide variety of sizes. They are rust and corrosion resistant, ensuring durability for numerous applications. If you need a large quantity of fasteners for home, car, or workshop use, covering automotive, mechanics, and lawn mower needs, this comprehensive set is an excellent value. What people say. The clips are very sturdy and hold the item securely. Good quality material, they do not bend or break easily. The design allows for quick and easy installation and removal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.